Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. While you grow, verify your Google account and enable two-step verification to secure payments. Once you hit thresholds, go to YouTube Studio and apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Make sure channel settings like monetization, content ownership, and ad-friendly metadata are correctly filled out so the review can proceed without delays. After applying to YPP, YouTube reviews your channel for policy compliance. Be patient and address any content strikes or reused content issues promptly. Once accepted, the studio prompts you to create or link a Google AdSense account. Use the same legal name and address as your payment profile to avoid verification delays. Then, set ad formats on videos, enable monetization per upload, and ensure thumbnails and metadata remain advertiser-friendly, so ads run consistently, and finish by verifying your AdSense mailing address with the PIN and completing tax and identity forms. Payments require a $100 threshold. Monitor RPM and CPM in analytics and adjust content, upload cadence, and viewer engagement to improve earnings. If ads aren't appearing, first disable ad blockers, then check AdSense for holds, review YouTube policy strikes, and confirm videos are set to monetized. If problems persist, use YouTube Studio feedback and AdSense support to resolve account-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.